Diary. In the previous tutorial, we have learned about the expense workflow. Today, we are going to learn about how we can send email using workflow or enable push notification setting in the workflow or your Apex application. So let's log in into your Apex application, go to the share component, then create a task definition. It will be a approval task. So click create. Now add the participant, your name, add the parameter, click apply changes, and create a task detail page. Now we shall go to the workflow and create our workflow. So we shall call it as send email workflow. Then we create parameter. It will be the initiator. This is the first version. And then we shall go to the activity, and the first activity is to get the manager, validate the query. Then we shall create the workflow owner, and it will be the initiator. Then we shall create a variable, which is the manager name. Hit save. We are going to do, we are going to create activity here, which will be send email, and here we select the send email. You can get the manager name and the manager email if you are storing into the your table, or you can say in the database. Currently, I don't have email um, stored into the database, so I'm going to pass the exact value of email that I have. After that, if you have any template, then you can provide here. You can add CC or an BCC option as well. Now you can add the subject. Subject is email from workflow, mention the initiator. After that, we shall write my manager name. So these are the variable. Manager name is the variable. Kindly view the workflow in 5 tasks list. And here we can see regards initiator. Okay. So the manager name is the variable that we are setting in the get manager name, and after that the initiator is the variable that we are passing to this workflow. After that we shall save, and we are going to create another activity. After that, it will be push notification sending, and here we select send notification, and here we have to provide the manager name manager name variable, and title is creation of initiator, and add testing option. Save. After that, we are going to create another activity. It will be actual notification. It will be the hidden task, and we are going to select, and now we have to pass the item, which is the variable that we are storing here. One more thing, we are going to set the outcome into the variable. Click save. Now go to the app builder and create a new page. That will be form. We shall going to create a blank page instead of form, so that we can add fields for just testing. Submitting below, create the body, create a region and name it submit workflow. After that, we are going to create a page item and a button here. It is initiator and the default value will be static, and we are going to pass a user, click save, and the button name is submit. Sure. In the processing, we have to create the process workflow, set the type as workflow. Maybe we are going to choose our workflow. Then we have the parameter initiator. It's save. Thing. Okay. Now we have to create two more pages. So console else, click create, and we have to create a unified task list for the approver. So for the push notification, we are going to edit application definition and go to the progressive web app tab and enable the installable, and then enable the push notification. Here we have to provide credential. We are going to regenerate credentials, and we have to add setting page to create, click apply changes, then run the application. So let's log in. Submitting the workflow and click workflow where you can see my workflows. You can see the email workflow is initiated. Also, you can enable the push notification setting. Go to the setting and turn it on. And for the admin, which is the manager of this user, you're going to enable the push notification as well. So we shall go to, so we can see that in the email, we are getting the email, hi, the manager name, admin, kindly view the workflow in your unified task list. regards the initiator who is initiating. Then we are going to my pending task list. And you can see that email notification workflow is there. So as you can pass the email notification to the manager. I hope you have learned something useful at Developers Diary. See you in the next tutorial.